हाँ इधर इधर चलो चलो
चलो एक साइड हो जाओ, थोड़ा एक साइड हो जाओ। और इधर में
या
थोड़ा एक साइड हो
मैम थांबा ना प्लीज सर, एक फोटो करूँ। अच्छा हाँ या थोड़ा सा
अरे आगे मत आओ ना, वैसे तो पीछे आओ ना।
कम मैम ऊपर आना पड़ेगा
Sanitizer है?
हाँ
Sure. As soon as the phone is
should we light it this is Nidhi Chaudhary she is an IAS
sanitizer on my hand. Hello, darling. Hello. Oops, I'm so sorry.
how are you
All good. How are
all
you?
is well so good to see you again
Lovely to see you.
आइए मैम
हाँ थोड़ा
No, you come
थोड़ा
in
इस तरफ आइए मैम।
Both
मैम
of us, come.
थोड़ा थोड़ा, हाँ फेस नहीं दिख रहा आपका।
मैडम इकडे
Actually, I'm taller now, so you come on this side.
yeah come one more other one
Right, come over. Aye, please.
yeah come हाँ चलो नहीं आप दोनों साथ में
You're all from Gwalior? Yeah. My father, my puri family. Jay. Really? Wow, yes, yes. Unfortunately, none of that generation is anymore. Yes. How are you then?
all the best all the best all the best
ब्रो पिक्चर इधर करना है।
ये इधर क्या पिक्चर करेगा अंदर पेंटिंग्स है ना
ओके
चलो चलो चलो, पीछे आओ, पीछे आओ। ये सच्चा पानी।
मैम वेट किरण जी
Can we do it against
आगे
that
हाँ,
painting?
आगे उधर,
It's
आगे।
start from here
No, that painting is
नहीं
beautiful.
पिक्चर चाहिए आइए या ना
Huh, there. We'll do it against that. That's colorful. Yeah. I took mine. That's your favorite?
that is not carrot
You also share. Please.
she's also an artist madam की बेटी है बस चोपड़ा का she's daughter of
Oh, okay.
Cashier
Huh, the painter.
आर्टिस्ट और ये मैडम।
मैडम सेंटर
क्या?
मैम लेफ्ट से शुरू करिए।
मैम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर। रवीना मैम एक सोलो। एक सोलो पिक्चर। हाँ प्लीज। हाँ
Nandini, when you want to do the solo, same painting or some other?
yeah you can just if you can just do a walkthrough
Yeah, so we want to shoes.
अरे इधर अच्छा था। देखिए
मैडम सेंटरला बघा
एक सेकंड अभी थोड़ा ये
मैडम
इसके बाद करती हूँ
बाद में डन होती है।
मैम मैम यहाँ पे इधर बाकी है। सेंटर मैम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर।
that's it guys thank you
रुको ना रुको। मैम यहाँ पे रवीना मैम।
can you see the thank you
What is your inspiration?
your
only. Let's do walk through.
मागं 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 थोडं मागचे बघून द्या तिथे.
This is all color. So this is actually
No oil.
oil on canvas.
Yes, basically it's extremely difficult to paint in the back.
मोबाइल यार काम चालू देखना है हमारा.
मैम यहाँ पे
Thank you very much. I know.
हां सध्या तुझा फोटो येतोय तर उद्याच सांगतो.
क्या क्या है
Like really.
सध्या
I like
तुझा तुझा
Then you're beautiful. Really
फोटो तर काढत नाही.
दाखवतोय फक्त.
Is this a self-portrait?
तुझा फोटो यायचा तर काय
ए बंद करा. चलो साईडला वा. कुठे जायला जरा पीछे पीछे पीछे.
This I saw that. हाँ भाई, थैंक्स. जितना प्यार और साइलेंस से काम करने का
मागची
उतना
पेंटिंग
better
बघून
होता
द्या.
है. आपके ही भाई लोग हैं.
इधर आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ.
या साईडला या
इधर आ
साईडला
जाओ, thank you.
मागं बघून द्या.
Is of paper. But what is this? The chariot is from the wall. Okay, this is also woman. हाँ, correct. Okay.
so she makes it on the paper and then she transfers
ने
it.
जो बोला मुझे समझ
But
में
this
नहीं
has
आया.
horses as well. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that also had, yeah. Bobby? These colors are so good. I always take canvas only.
यही पे यही पे.
I've never taken
रविका जी.
papers of artists, yeah.
वेट वेट.
I collect a lot of...
थोड़ा. यस थैंक यू. जैसे ही बैठिए ना.
So stunning. It is beautiful.
This was one of the spiritual series which she had done.
The color,
The color, yes.
oh my God. So vibrant.
It's a color which is usually associated with Lord
Yeah,
Krishna.
yeah, always.
But she is trying to depict that, you know, she is actually उस रंग में रंग. These are ruins actually. And she done it.
It's just fabulous.
She got a lot of force in her artwork.
Yeah, yeah. This is, of course, Durga. Yeah. That's Mahadev and Parvati. Yeah. You know, this actually kind of has like a, feels like a 3D effect when you're standing from far.
Yes.
This is like,
Her works have that quality.
Yeah,
Yeah.
three-dimensional.
yeah, yeah.
So
Guys, I need to move ahead.
Yeah.
Mommy,
We
painting.
posed.
Ready.
Kiran Chopra's daughter. So this welcome note is going to be a little bit biased, but it's heartfelt. So thank you everybody for coming for Mommy's 48th solo inauguration show. So 48, where do I start? It's a big number, and Mommy's been painting for 35 years now. And believe me, she still paints like she's going to be exhibiting tomorrow morning. So if you come to her house, though she has her own studio, but our house is filled with tables filled with colors. Prakash will relate to it, unfinished artwork, sculptures, everything. So this show is titled, we have named it Beyond the Visible because it really is beyond. We have dedicated this show to my dad who recently passed away. So my father, Shri Arvind Chopra, was one of Mommy's biggest cheerleader and support system. And initially Mommy was very reluctant to do the show, but she's put in a lot of strength, I think, effort, hard work and love to put it all together for everybody to see. So today is also very, very special because we have got some amazing, extraordinary people with us. So we are so lucky to have Padam Shri Raveena ji with us to grace this occasion. Thank you, Raveena ji. So for me, the best and sweetest part was the Gwalior Connect when Mummy was little, growing up in Gwalior. So Mummy's house and Raveena ji's family home was, Mummy's house in Gwalior and Raveena ji's family house was right next to each other. In fact, they shared an adjoining wall. We are Raveena ji in Mumbai inaugurating Mummy's 40th solo. So it's really amazing. And then this morning when Mummy was telling me the story once again for like the 50th time, she was still as excited and happy like a little girl. And thank you, Raveena ji. It meant the world to her that we are here. She's so happy.
Thank you so much. And I'm also really, really honored that now in my collection of the most esteemed artists of our country, Kiran Chopra ji will be there with a special autograph and a note saying love from Gwalior.
Yeah. So we we've got Mr. R. Padamsee, who's an eminent theatre personality, who is always here to encourage us for our shows. Thank you so much for coming, by the way. See the show nicely, view each and every artwork thoroughly. Every artwork has a story to tell. आप आकर मम्मी से बात करेंगे. I'm sure she'll say so many things about the artworks. So please enjoy the show. Thank you everybody for gracing the occasion.
My pleasure.
Pleasure having you all.
Really nice. Really good. बहुत अच्छे लगे मुझे बहुत अच्छा अब क्या है वो
पेंटिंग जाना
Thank you. You should open it and show ना.
हाँ
Open it and show. Unfortunately, that whole generation is not present. She and you unfortunately passed away.
Raveena ji.
It's to be a warrior in today's world.
मैम थोड़ा क्लोज रहिए.
No. Come right.
क्या स्ट्रेट है?
Thank you.
मार्कर है
Thank you, everybody. You've got a marker pen?
There's no marker, but there is a pen. I think it's right on the back.
पेन से नहीं होगा पेन तो मेरे पास
I want you to write.
Oh, it is a marker.
मौका पेन है ना जी से बहुत क्लोज थी मैं
Yes.
So हम लोग तो like when we used to go to Gwalior, by that time we had grown up, आप भी established हो गए थे, we used to hear stories, you know.
Yeah, exactly, because my Taya ji was a prosecutor. So all the Chambal Valley dacoits used to come there.
Okay. Yes.
And he had a big, you remember that?
Yes, so mummy's dad was a judge.
High Court judge
He
actually.
was a high court
Oh,
judge.
even my dada was.
जो मानसिंह थे डाकू
हाँ जी.
तो उनको हमारे बंगलों के
Correct.
लाया गया था उनकी
Correct.
डेड बॉडी को
Correct.
यस
So that's what now we have seen all those dacoits.
हाँ, on
Like
the
when we were
ghodas
kids.
with the rifles, you know.
Yeah. And वो क्या करते थे?
Ravina, it's a pleasure to have you here. What made you say yes to the exhibition? What made you say yes to Kiranji's beautiful works?
So when you spoke to me about Kiranji, I knew of her works and then I did some further research and I realized that she's again one of the staunch pillars of the art foundations that we have in our country. As in, our country is known to be rich in its culture, in its heritage and in art. Art form, according to me, literally spread from here all over the world in every way. Whether it was canvas, whether it was paints, colors, embroidery, silks, everything. So the basic artistic foundation of our country is very well known now globally across the world, with most of our masters getting such amazing pieces of art which are now sold all over the world.
Yeah.
And at a very great, at very great podiums as well.
Yeah.
Like you see a lot of the auctions and most of the great painters will be our Indian artists now. So it is so good to see this growth in our country, and definitely when I saw Kiranji's work, it is exquisite. I mean, other people have ways of painting, portraying, interpreting what their feelings are. But if you see, it's very difficult to get depth in just doing black and whites.
Yeah.
You know, because you really can't get those dimensions and the strains of each definition of each what she's trying to portray comes across so clearly.
Yeah.
Even on just blacks.
Yeah.
Through different shades of black. So I think it's just phenomenal, her work. And then of course the color that is, the vibrancy that comes across in the midst, the spurts of color that comes in the midst of the blacks. I'm an art collector and I'm too excited to be here. And another thing that really struck me was our old connection that we are catching up on. That she used to be our neighbor in my dad's family house in Gwalior. So that makes it even more special for me. And I'm very, very happy that I said yes and that I'm here. And I've got one of her most beautiful paintings which will be treasured forever.
How sweet. And what do these paintings speak to you? Aapka, if I may ask, which is probably your one favorite here?
I think there's not one favorite. There are a lot of favorites. So one is, I think we're standing just besides the women power. Yes, this painting for me emphasizes women power, which I strongly believe in. Then it also there is Mahadev and Parvati. Then there is Krishnji and Meera, and this is the spiritual side of me that makes me love them even more. And they're so beautifully again done. And then there are the black and whites which stand out so beautifully. There's a Balaji painting here which is the central piece of everything. I mean, these are just stunning, the way she uses her colors.
किरण जी, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? आपका 35 years आर्ट के फील्ड में कंप्लीट हो गया. It's been a long and I'm sure beautiful journey. क्या कहना चाहोगे आप? आज रवीना भी हैं.
बस मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि शुरू से ही बचपन से ही आर्ट में तो बहुत इंक्लिनेशन था मुझे. और फिर मैं बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हुई, जो आर्ट का बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है. यहाँ बाकी कलाकारों की तरह मुझे भी स्ट्रगल बहुत करना पड़ा. 3-4 शोज़ मेरे फ्लॉप गए बिल्कुल, लेकिन मैंने गिव अप नहीं किया, मैं लगातार लगी रही और मेरी फैमिली ने बहुत मुझे इनकरेज किया काम करने में। और आर्ट फील्ड के जो सीनियर आर्टिस्ट थे उन्होंने भी बहुत इनकरेज किया कि किरण तुम आगे जाओगी एक दिन, काम छोड़ना नहीं। और बस तब से मैं लगी हुई हूँ और चल रहा है।
इस शो की खासियत क्या है? यहाँ पे ऑडियंस आके क्या आपके बेहतरीन कौन से वर्क्स देख सकती है?
देखिए, एक कलाकार के लिए उसके सारे वर्क बच्चे अपने बच्चों की तरह होते हैं, तो किसी एक के बारे में हम नहीं कह सकते। बाकी सब अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं मेरा काम, ये मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है। रवीना आई, निधि जी आई, सब लोग आए हैं, मतलब मेरा काम देखने और सबको पसंद आया है। बस यही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी सेटिस्फेक्शन की बात है।
एनी पार्टिंग थॉट फ्रॉम यू?
Just that I think art is a beautiful way of expression for the giver and the taker. So for me, having a good piece of art in my house, which gives me joy, happiness, and just lightens up the atmosphere, is the most wonderful thing. So I don't believe, honestly, I'm not into these digital prints and this and that.
Yeah.
But the work and the human touch that goes behind a beautiful handmade painting today, and which is personalized and you can actually visualize it through the eyes of the painter, it means a lot to me because it's the good vibrations that come out of it.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. जी.
खुद एक ब्यूटीफुल कलरफुल पेंटिंग की तरह दिखती है,
हाय हाय.
उसका राज क्या है, अगर आप बता सकते हो?
बस इतने खूबसूरत लोगों से मिलना, हंसी खुशी और हैप्पीनेस स्प्रेड करना, तो जब दिल खुश होता है ना, अपने आप वो खुशी शक्ल पे भी आ जाती है ना? बी हैप्पी इन योर हार्ट, बस।
थैंक यू।
जो भी है अच्छा ही होगा, ऊपर वाले ने प्लान बना के रखा हुआ है, सो बिलीव इन हिम। ओके, जय महादेव।